Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike. I'm from Lingopie, and I'm here to guide you through the world of Japanese television. In this video, we'll explore the 5 best Japanese shows on Netflix for Japanese language enthusiasts like you. These awesome series can be your gateway to mastering the Japanese language. You can access them all on Netflix Selects via the Lingopie platform. With Lingopie, you've got access not only to the Netflix catalog, but also to a really broad range of language learning tools like dual subtitles, a grammar coach, flashcards, and a whole lot more. All right, without further ado, let's dive into our top picks. Starting off with my first recommendation, A Family. This compelling Japanese drama explores family dynamics and human relationships. It's a perfect way to learn about everyday Japanese expressions and the complexities of interpersonal communication in Japan. As you immerse yourself in the story of this drama, you'll discover the nuances of Japanese familial bonds and the subtleties of daily conversation. This show offers a rich language learning experience. It combines emotion with linguistic progression. If you have the patience to go through your flashcards and make sure you're really taking all that information in. All right, next up we have Ride or Dies is a gripping Japanese film that ventures into the world of crime and passion. This movie is a fantastic resource for learners who want to grasp the language of intense emotions, complex relationships, and thrilling situations. Pay close attention to the characters' interactions and the depth of their conversations. Ride or Dies will immerse you in the world of the unexpected, helping you advance your Japanese language skills while keeping you on the edge of your seat. All right, maybe that's a little dramatic, but it's a good show. Seriously, check it out. Okay, my third recommendation is Mothers, a Japanese drama that delves into maternal love and the challenges of parenthood. This series offers a unique perspective on the Japanese language as it relates to family and compassion. In this movie, you'll get access to emotional dialogues and the profound connections between the characters as they navigate the complexities of life. This one really is a treasure trove for Japanese learners looking to connect with the language on a deeply emotional level. Moving on to my fourth pick, We Couldn't Become Adults. This is a Japanese romantic drama that provides insights into the language of love, relationships, and personal growth. This series is a great way to master expressions of affection and the subtleties of human connections. As you follow the characters on their emotional journeys, you'll have the opportunity to refine your understanding of nuanced Japanese expressions and the intricacies of love. We Couldn't Become Adults is the perfect choice for those wanting to connect with the Japanese language through the lens of romance. For my final recommendation, can someone give me a drum roll, please? Since youth. Now, this is a Japanese coming-of-age drama that delves into the challenges and dreams of young people. This show is an excellent way to learn contemporary Japanese colloquialisms and expressions used by the younger generation. As you join the characters in their journey of self-discovery and growth, you'll absorb the language of youth and modern life in Japan. This is perfect for learners who want to feel more connected to the language and culture of Japan's younger population. All right, well, there you have it, our selection of the 5 best Japanese Netflix shows and films to elevate your Japanese language learning journey. These series and movies offer a captivating way to enhance your language skills while immersing yourself in Japanese culture and society. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced learner, there's something for everyone in this diverse lineup. If you're ready to take your Japanese language learning to the next level, I have an exciting recommendation for you. Head over to Lingopie, where you can find these fantastic shows and movies to enhance your language skills while enjoying incredible language learning tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more language learning content, and share your thoughts or your favorite Japanese Netflix shows and films in the comments below. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.